Hey, so I wanted to show you two of my favorite scarves from the line, wrapped in ways that really feature amazing colors. We're really trying hard to listen to you guys and bring you the most amazing lightweight scarves for the summer. They're all made of cotton and they're just fantastic. I love the red pattern in this one. It's like bold, but it's not so brightly in your face. It's really nice. And as you can see, like I'm wearing this kind of like neutral jean dress with it, and it matches perfectly. So I'm just going to do a quick beginner's light look. As you can see, it's thin, but it's a sturdy scarf. It's wonderful. So this will really show it beautifully. There you go. I'm going to add this lovely pin, which I didn't even realize matches so well until I saw them beside each other. There you go. Just had to go outside quickly and take a picture in natural light. It's going to take this off. And now I'm going to show you just the thinness and quality of this scarf. You can feel like it's so thin and light, but the quality is amazing. I'm so happy we're bringing this to you. Just love it. I'm going to do this one more in a veil style. Again, like one end longer, one end shorter. I love this headband. Look at that. Perfection. There we go. That's the veil style. And then you can really just tuck this anywhere you want, because this scarf is just like the cotton is so grippy that it's going to stay. Oh, I love this. Gorgeous.